What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. Gonna go over front of Ethereum, currently sitting at 1294, up 0.8 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 156 billion. 24-hour volume 7.99 billion. Let's hop into the charts. I'm gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. We bounced from our wave 4 pullback zone. Looks like we may have already completed our wave 5 with a bearish divergence on the hourly time frame. So if we were to pull back from here, just gonna make this smaller. If we were to begin to pull back from here, what you can do is take a fib retracement from the start. This would be the wave 1 of the wave 3, all the way to the top, so bottom to the top, and you'd be looking for a retracement in between the 0.5 and the 0.786. So what we could do, let's just give it a quick label here. All of this would be a wave 1, and then you would come back for a wave 2. You'd be looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5, and we'll just make this minuscule. So if we do start to pull back from here, we do have that bearish divergence, and look for a bounce in between 1233 and about 1187 with a minimum target of 1249 in a wave 2 pullback. Now, if this were to be the case, we're going to see a bit of a larger wave count here that we may break out of this pattern, but I think it would be a fake out to the upside. So take your trend base to extension from the bottom, because what we're looking at here is for that wave 3, right? So if this is only the wave 1 of the wave 3, let's say we bounce off the golden ratio, then that could give you a 1.618 target of 1496. However, the wave 3 can be shorter, the one extension, the 1.382. So if we go up to the 1.382 in a wave 3, we see a wave 4 pullback, see a wave 5, complete that larger wave 3, put in a wave 4, which is here in pink, put in a wave 5, complete the wave C of the wave 4 of the ending diagonal. That's what we're looking at here for the price of Ethereum. If I grab my brush, ending diagonal wave 5, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, A, B, C into a wave 3. And then we A, B, C into a wave 4. You see that final wave 5 to bring you down quite possibly only to that $700 to $800 range, and not all the way down to the $500 to $600 range. That is a possibility. But of course, we can always see an extended wave that does end up bringing you, because it's probably not going to come straight down like this. Likely come down in waves, slowly come down in waves. So I think 700 to 800 is a good target, and if it breaks that, then about 500 to 600 for the price of ETH. So that's what I'm looking at here, is that we've completed a 5-way move, and we're looking to see that pullback in between 1187 and 1233 with a minimum target of 1249 before pushing up. If we were to see continuation to the upside, all it means is that this 5-way move is not complete yet. But personally, with this divergence, I do think we're likely to see some pullback here into a wave 2 before pushing up in a wave 3. If we pop over to our next chart, I'm just going to show you guys this one here. We broke out of this inverse head and shoulders. The technical target is 1362. We're starting to break above the 20 EMA, finding resistance here at the 55. So if we do push a little bit higher, the resistance of the descending broadening wedge is coming in here at about 1392. We may push a little bit higher, just as we did right here. Fake out to the upside, trap the bulls, drop back down, in my opinion, and continue to create lower lows and lower highs. And with this chart here, I just have it drawn out as a descending channel, so there is some downsloping resistance at the current price level, coming in at about 1323, and you can see all the previous resistance at that level, right around that 1323, 1330 level. So quite a bit of resistance, a good area to see a little bit of pullback before potentially seeing continuation to the upside, getting rejected, falling back down into the pattern. I didn't go over the Dow Jones in my Bitcoin video as I usually do. It's continuing to push up. Looks like we're going to come up and reach 3483 at least pop up into this yellow box before potentially seeing a larger rejection, in my opinion. The DXY is still holding that low, but it looks like we may invalidate that double bottom. Just watch that bullish divergence on the daily. But if we do lose that double bottom, we come down, we lose this support of 104. Your next strong level of support is down here in between 100 and 102, and that's when you would see the continuation of the rally for the price of Bitcoin, and the NDQ 100 is starting to break out. So it looks like we may head for that technical target at 12,888. And the NDQ 100 moves very closely with the price of Bitcoin, or the price of Bitcoin moves very closely with the NDQ. So we could definitely see continuation to the upside after a little bit of pullback here. We'll see if that pullback happens, but it does look probable in my opinion. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. I have a full length tutorial. The link is in the description, as well as pinned on the end screen at the very end of the video. Either Bybit or BitGet, but Bybit has up to 30K in bonuses right now. Make your first deposit and then email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely free access if you email me your sign-up email after you're making your first deposit. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis and my trade signals, recently locked in gains on a Bitcoin long. Before that, locked in gains on a Bitcoin short. And the analysis can be very, very helpful with your trading. All links in the comments in the description. Make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.